The Federal Bureau of Prisons has started a review of solitary confinement at all federal prisons. Colorado, Maine, and Georgia are already scaling back, following the lead of Mississippi. Randall Pinkston explains what's behind the change in correctional thinking.
Parchman, in the heart of the Mississippi Delta, is a sprawling 1,800-acre prison. Its Unit 32 once housed 1,000 inmates in solitary confinement, each prisoner crammed into an 8-by-10-foot cell 23 hours a day. Inmates got out 1 hour a day for exercise and a shower.
And it's a torture. It's the worst kind of torture. I'd rather be beaten or burnt.
Kirby Tate, who served 9 years on a nonviolent drug charge, spent 3 of those years in solitary confinement, mostly in Unit 32.
You pray to die. You lay in bed every day and you pray, man, please let this be the last day, you know? If you're not a psychopathic maniac and you're not fisting to kill everybody you can get, they got no business putting you in solitary confinement.
We should be looking at those individuals that we're afraid of.
Chris Epps opened Unit 32 in 1990 when he was Parchman's second in command. But in 2010, as the State Commissioner of Corrections, he decided to close it.
It has not affected public safety as far as the citizens of our great state. It has not affected our staff. No one has gotten hurt.
You've been quoted as saying that if you treat somebody like an animal,
that's exactly the way they behave. And we learned that firsthand.
Firsthand in 2007, when there were 3 murders and 1 suicide inside Unit 32. The ACLU sued Epps over what it called inhumane conditions.
It's my belief it affected them mentally.
you think it triggered psychiatric problems that they may not have had beforehand.
That's correct. I either made it worse.
After a series of reforms, the number of Mississippi inmates in solitary confinement is down 75%, from 1,300 in 2007 to just over 300 today.
About 200 of them are involved in meaningful programs, mental health programs, anger management, adult-based education, trying to get a GED, alcohol and drug, because they are coming back to you and my neighborhood, whether we want them or not.
Closing Unit 32 saved Mississippi $6 million a year. Now, as head of the American Correctional Association, Epps is encouraging other states to reduce solitary confinement. Randall Pinkston, CBS News, Parchman, Mississippi.